Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this Origami shelving unit that I recently picked up on Amazon. It's supposed to be super simple, but we're going to put it together and see what we think about it. So let's get the box open, see what's inside. So we got some casters there, otherwise so it just opens up like that. This thing swings around like that. Looks like the latch is zip tied, so we can cut that and lock it down right there on that tab. Got the top shelf all latched down just like so. We have another one on the back. So if we push down a little bit on this guy, flip this up, see how it grabs the hook there, push it down. Easier to do with two hands. We're all locked in now. Can't go nowhere. Now I flipped it over because we do have to put the casters on. You can see they just screw in and it does come with the wrench. So we're just going to put this guy right in here. One caster installed, 3 more to go, and 2 of them actually come with little foot brakes. Casters are all on. Oh man, look at it go. Look at it go. It's pretty neat actually. Well, it can hold me. I can definitely feel a little give right at the joint where I'm stepping. But realistically, are you putting human weight on this thing? Probably not. Alright, now let's say we're all done with it. We got to fold it up. We just got to undo this little guy right here for the top. Undo this buckle for the bottom. We can just lift the top up, swing it back, pick up on the middle here. Oh, and look at us go! And we're all collapsed. Could probably even collapse more. Yeah. It'll fold completely flat. I like it. It's pretty good. There you go, guys. A little origami for you. Thanks for watching.